EnergyMinder is an experimental website that allows you to participate in the discovery of factors that make one home use more electricity than another. If you haven't already used EnergyMinder, you'll need to register. To do so, please find your EnergyMinder ID, which you should have received in the mail from BED. If you can't find your EnergyMinder ID, call BED at 802-658-0300 and someone will be happy to pull it up for you. After you register, you'll be taken to the About page, which gives you lots of good information about EnergyMinder. Now, go to the Answer Questions page and answer a few questions. As you do, you'll see your discovery score increase. As you do, you'll notice that an orange flag on the chart below moves. This is EnergyMinder learning about energy usage based on your answers. To help EnergyMinder learn even more, you may want to ask a question of your own that others may then answer. On the Ask a Question page, you can think about what makes your home different from others and ask a question about other participants' home or lifestyle that might help to explain why one home is different from another. For example, if your electric bill is high and you live in a large house, you might ask, how many square feet are in your home? You then need to answer your own question. After you ask a question, it will be sent to the EnergyMinder team, who will need to approve it to make sure it qualifies. Here is some advice for writing a good question. Write your question clearly so that it is clear how to answer it. Be creative. You never know what might help to explain electricity usage. Don't ask advice-type questions. For example, do you have a high-efficiency washing machine is a good question that might help to explain electricity usage, whereas answers to, should I buy a high-efficiency washing machine, will probably not explain why one home is different from another. Don't put your name or anyone else's name in your questions, and please don't use any offensive language in your question. If your question is rejected, you can contact the EnergyMinder team to find out why. Once your question is approved, the next user to visit the site will answer the original questions plus the one that you just asked. On the Answer Questions page, you will see a chart that shows two flags. One shows your actual electricity usage for the last month, and the other shows EnergyMinder's best guess as to your electricity usage. How does EnergyMinder do it? It tries to find a pattern between everybody's answers and their actual usage. Given this pattern and your answers to questions, EnergyMinder predicts your usage, which is the orange flag that you see. The blue bars show the electricity usage of other EnergyMinder participants. After seeing how you compare to others, you might want to learn how you could reduce your own electric bill. For some ideas, go to the What If page. For example, I might be curious to find out what would happen if I purchased a hot tub. I change my answer from no to yes, and I notice that the blue what if flag moves. At this point, EnergyMinder is predicting that if I buy a hot tub, my electric bill will be 0 next month. Probably not correct. This means that EnergyMinder needs more questions and more answers. On all of the pages, you will see a small circle with an eye. If you click on it, you will get more information about this item. We invite you to revisit EnergyMinder from time to time. As more people ask and answer more questions, we will all learn more about electricity usage and how to be more efficient. Thanks for your participation.